Hello, right now I'm going to be unboxing the Blackberry Bold 9000. Here is the box itself. There it is. So, you take that little plastic off that was right there, or tape, and you lift this tab up right here. And the first thing you're going to see is your getting started guide, which seems to show everything about the phone. So that's pretty cool. Next is a little tab that you flip open, and then in this little container right here is the phone itself. And then you just take it out. There's the phone. Put it back on. Now under that, there's like cardboard stuff. Is a case for it. Just a slip-on case, looks like. USB cable. Headphones, it looks like. Yes, headphones. Just in-ear versions. And I'm guessing this is the charging thing. Let's see if we can get this open. Where's the knife? There we go. Okay, so now let's open this thing up. Like so. And you have the traditional Blackberry wall charger. Take this out of the stuff. Here's the wall charger. Just flips out. It's a pretty long cable. You can see it's all coiled up right now, but it looks pretty long. So, and right here is your SIM card. You just put that in the back of the phone. And there's one last thing in here. Let's see. Is a quick start guide and your BlackBerry tools for your computer. So let's get back to the phone right here. And here's the phone itself. Take it out of its plastic thing. There's the phone. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, so it's got like a note saying, "Welcome. To start using your smartphone, please see the getting started guide. Thank you." There's your camera, and if you guys didn't know, this has like a leather texture in the back, and that is the texture of the battery door. Here's the sleep wake button right there. Your trackball, the menu button, return button, talk button, end button, and your QWERTY keypad. I'm guessing right here is your volume buttons, maybe. I guess. Sorry. Here's your volume buttons. Here's your camera button, I'm guessing. I don't really know what that little button down there is, if that's even a button right there. I guess that's to get your battery door open, maybe. This must be, I don't know, this is kind of weird. Oh, this must be your charging. Yeah, there's your charging port. Headphone port. This may be the camera. This must be the SD memory card port. Maybe these are, I don't know what these are yet, but we'll have to find out. So that's it for the unboxing of the Blackberry Bold 9000. So that's it. Bye.